Hello, dear creatives. Welcome to Sims What Online Flower class. My name is Oluyinka Oduwabi. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a lovely flower that I'm not even going to use much, and I'm going to be using this accessory. It's not a button, it's just like an accessory, your lighter, your ruler. So I'm going to just use it to measure this straight away. This one is 16 centimeter. I hope you can see it. It's 16 centimeter, and of course definitely it's 16 by 16. And you're going to be you're going to need your glue gun. Of course, you can use your glue gun, you can use your UHU gun. So your lighter, your pins. You are going to use your pins. Then the measurement of this that I'm going to use is 5 centimeter. It's 5 centimeter. So let's get started. So now what we're going to do is we're going to burn this and roughen it. This design is only fabrics that will be able to come out with it. You can't use ashoke. Well, you can use gele as long as you can get it to burn, to roughen it. Or use just zigzag scissors. Yeah, that's another thing. You can use just zigzag scissors. So just trying to burn and roughen the edges to make it look more lovely. Can you see? Can you see? Okay. So now what are we to do next is we're going to fold into 2 equal parts. Then this time around, okay, let me show you. Fold into 4 just to have the midpoint. Then what I'm going to do is just in between fold it to here and fold it backwards. Can you see one is facing front, the other one will be going backwards, and you now make sure they are equal here, equal there. And you see it's different from the smaller one I did. Then put gum and press down. If you like, you can still use your pins. You can use your pins to hold down, then press down. So do the same thing. Remember when you're doing it, look out for the right side. So fold down again, get the midpoints, then fold forward, and the other part will go backwards and make it equal. Then use your pin. You can pin it, then use your glue, both front and backwards, and hold down. So this is how I've done that. Then what I now do is I'm using 5 centimeter measurements. So I will just, of course, now you might not use your pin again, but if it's still not coming well, of course you can still add your glue to it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add my glue. You need to know the center of this and bring it like this. So these are the other ones I've done. There are 8 in numbers, and that is just what I'm going to just continue to do. There are 8 in numbers. Now this time around, I'm not putting them on top of each other. I want all of them to be, that's why I'm using a bigger version. So it's going to just go round. It's going to go around it. Can you see? It's going round. I'm not placing it just like the other way I did the smaller version. So if you have not seen that, please go and watch that video. There are different ways that one can achieve this. So the last one. Can you see? So now you puff it out. For those that did not stick well, of course, you can always use your gum to stick it. Now, puff it out. Try to puff it out. That's why I said you can have it in different ways. So, this one is still not coming. So, gum. Then, using this, which I bought in an haberdashery shop. So, you can now use this to put in the center and use it to cover. Of course, you can use this to cover, or if you want to use an accessory like this, you can also use it. Any one you want to do. Although I'm looking at this, that this one is going to come out really beautiful with it. Okay, so it depends on you. Let's also, of course, that is the essence of us being creative. We can also use this. Let's use this because I want it to look really lovely for you, my my lovely students, so that you too can give me different other ideas. Yeah, look at this. This is much more better. That is why we are creative, isn't it? That is looking much better. So we just need to put maybe a bit more gum, puff it up. Puff it up. Yes, so you can now puff it up so that it goes round very well. Can you see? Then we can do all our necessary cleaning, and I hope you are enjoying the class so far. I will like to see it on this design too. I would like to see it on Telegram. If you're on Telegram, go and search Fascinator, Fascinator community. You will see me there. Send me pictures of what you have done. Can you see? It's coming out really lovely. So send me pictures of what you have done, and then you can also give me ideas of what you want me to do, or maybe send me comments. Of course, definitely after you must have liked my page, you have subscribed to my channel, so you have to tell me the name that you have used on that my page, so that we'll know that you have subscribed, that you are really my student. Then leave your comments there. Can you see? It's really lovely. So now I'm going to put it on Alice band, and what we'll do is, as usual, we have to use a bigger Alice band for this. So we're going to fold as we always do, notch, and pass it through the Alice band. I hope you are really enjoying the class. I hope so, as I'm enjoying teaching you. Can you see? Then you can easily place it. This one too can go on any fascinator, can go on your straw hats, can go on your scarf, maybe on your turbans, on whatever, anyone that you want to use it for, it can always, but please make sure you acknowledge the design. I would really love to see my students really using my designs. Please forward, also share it to friends. Let us have a community, like I'm trying to form a same sort community. So let's have a community, and so that where we can discuss a lot of things, share pictures, encourage each other. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm not taking you for granted. Thank you for joining the class. So this is, I hope you like it. I hope it's lovely the way me too I'm enjoying the class with you. Thank you so much for joining, and God bless you.